Hi, this video is number 140. Congruent shapes. So the key word here is congruent. Congruent means exactly the same size, exactly the same shape. Don't know why we use that word congruent in maths, but we just do. Okay. Now, getting these questions right requires just one thing: understanding what that word means. Okay. So use the understanding of the word to solve the problems. It is really, really, really simple. Okay. So which two shapes in number one are congruent to each other? That means which two shapes are exactly the same size and exactly the same shape. Well, they're all rectangles of some sort. Now you just got to choose the ones that actually look exactly the same, and that would be C and D. Okay, because that is the same as that, it's just in a different orientation, it's just turned differently. Okay, the others are very clearly different to those two, so you're going to write down C and D for your answer. I can't do any more for you than that. Now, in number two, we got Sarah thinks that two triangles are congruent. Is she correct? Give a reason for your answer. So they are almost congruent, but they are not quite. All right, because this one's got 5 centimeter perpendicular height. Okay, that means a height at a right angle. And this one has got a 5 centimeter perpendicular height as well. But the base is 11 centimeters on this one, and the base is 10.8 centimeters on this one. So no, they are not exactly the same size. Okay, they are exactly the same shape. They're both triangles, but they're not exactly the same size. So there would be our answer and our reason. Okay, and the third and final question, it might be one that I zoom in for. On the 0.5 centimeter squared grid, so each one of these length here is 0.5 centimeters. Draw a shape that is congruent to the regular shape shown below. Don't think of that as each one of those squares is 0.5 square centimeters, by the way, because 0.5 times 0.5 wouldn't be 0.5 centimeters squared. So what I meant by that was that each one of those lengths is half a centimeter long. That's slightly misleading, I apologize. But on the grid, we need to draw a shape that's congruent to the regular shape shown below. So what I am going to do there is I'm going to click on that. I'm going to zoom in to the grid, and hopefully you can still see what you need to see. And then we're going to go 3 centimeters. So if each one of those squares is half a centimeter long, so 1, 2, there you go, that's 1 centimeter. So another 2, that's going to give me my 3 centimeters, 6 squares down, that's my 3 centimeters. Okay, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 along the base, and therefore that just joins to that to make that lovely 5 centimeter length. And it will do, always will do, and this is the topic of, or a little hint towards, Pythagoras. But I'm not going to explain any further on that because this is not about Pythagoras at all. So there you go, there is our final answer to that question. It's pretty simple stuff, isn't it? Congruent means exactly the same size, exactly the same shape. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Shortest video yet. Bye bye.